And Mama just sprayed holy water on me. She's blessing. Mommy's rituals. आमगे डान्सा एक व्हिडिओ हा भरपूर व्हायरल झाला. आख्खो संवसार लोकांक चोयला. लोकांक जाय ते आय लायक युअर ग्रॅनी स्मायल. बरी दिसत खंय तूं. सारकी सुरसुरीत घशघशीत. जाय ते चेड्या म्हाका मेसेज घायला की आंकवार आहा काय म्हण हांवें ना 4-5 नोरकोन दवर म्हणे. It's a granny मुगेली. This is my lovely granny. कुची मुझे माय. God God आणि जात का. सूट घालता चलता ना. हां? No matter what you've heard or what anyone says to you, do not listen to them. My brother. Smile. So I am finally in Goa right now. It's in London. So right now we are at Gangu's, that is Eddan's favorite adda for Ganjan Chow.
We have come purposely here.
Yeah, and he's quite upset. I promised him that when I go to Goa, the first thing I'll do is in the evening I'm going to go. If I was reaching in the morning, I was supposed to reach in the morning 6 o'clock. I would go to his favorite place and have breakfast, and evening I would come here to have tea. Moment I am rushing to get my dress checked. Papa here. Super excited. It feels so good to be back home. I was meant to arrive in the morning on the 1st of December, but arrived in the afternoon due to the flight delays, and then they rebooked us to a later flight. It shook my whole day schedule. However, we managed to complete finalizing the caterer's menu. That was very important for me. So we finalized that. Today I went for the dress trial, met all the vendors at the hall. We saw the hall and for the decorations and everything else. I came home and I was so exhausted. I went to sleep. Before that, Mama fed me food. And the best part about being home that I love the most is Mama feeds me food. So I love that. My mother India and Sasumai decided to go for shopping. Met Veronica auntie. Bangar aisa chodwa bangar gepa geloli. We had to buy the sado material also. So my Sasumai and my mother India, both of us, all three of us in fact, went to the market, saw some lovely materials, purchased it, came home, watched wrestling with my, fed her some yummy porridge. And that was my day. See you in the next vlog. Bye.